is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you guys can tell by the title and as you guys can see, I'm bringing you guys some new hair. I have some long black, well, I guess it's black, it's probably like off black hair. I have not had long, like straight black hair like this in such a long time, and I honestly missed it so much. I really love this wig, just letting you know off the bat. And we're gonna get into it. I'm just gonna show you guys an unboxing and then just basically give you guys a review of this wig and like do a show and tell. This wig is from Celie hair, and everything about this wig will be linked and listed down below in the description box. Also guys, I did create a separate ASMR channel for those of you who are interested in my ASMR content, so I'll have that link down below. I already have a video uploaded on that channel, so be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you're interested. And I also created a separate vlog channel. I did just move from New York to Hawaii, so also don't mind this like random kind of background right now. I'm literally still moving in. I don't have everything situated, but I did want to come on here and film this video for you guys. But I did post my first vlog on my vlog channel of my travel from New York to Hawaii and my first like 72 hours here, so I'll also have that link down below if you're interested. And as always, I'll have my Instagram and any other like coupon codes or promo codes I have with any companies will be linked down below, so be sure to check the description box before or after you watch this video. Okay, first I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about this wig and like the specs of it. This wig is a 13x4 transparent lace front wig. It's in 24 inches and it's in 180% density, and the wig is straight hair. I will say that this wig is definitely true to length. It's 24 inches, but it comes really long on me. It basically comes all the way down my back length, and I would definitely say that it's 180% density because this wig definitely is very thick if you were to grab all the hair together and like put it in a ponytail. So I definitely would say that it's true to length and true to density. Also, I'm gonna show you guys the transparent lace. This is what it looks like. It does look pretty good. I did not bleach the knots or do anything except glue down the wig. So I will say that if you bleach the knots or tinted the wig and put some powder on that was closer to your skin complexion, it definitely could look even better. But just off the bat and in quick installing this wig, I definitely think it looks really natural and much nicer than a lot of other laces. And the hairline came pre-plucked. I didn't go ahead and do anything to this wig really except install it, and you guys will see here that I did go ahead and just add some layers to the wig. I did install this wig with the Ghost Bond Supreme glue, and I just took some regular hair cutting scissors and just added some layers around basically the perimeter and front of the hair to help frame my face. I also went ahead and just went over the entire wig with a straightener and slightly bumped the ends, and this is literally what I'm left with. I did go ahead and also do my baby hairs. I used Got2b glue for that, and I did kind of use just the pre-existing baby hairs that they had on the wig. I will say that this hair and this wig is extremely soft. Obviously for straight hair it's expected for the hair to be more silky and more smooth, but this hair is very soft. I did not put any product in it. I don't want to put any product in it because I don't want to like alter the hair at all, but it is so smooth and so soft. Like, I literally wish you guys could feel it. And I love that it just has movement. Now, I haven't been wearing the hair for a long time, so I can't really give you an in-depth review, but I will say that this wig is definitely high quality and this hair is definitely really great quality hair. So I want to show you guys the packaging and the box. They did send over some goodies in this separate little satin bag, which can be used to store your wig. They sent a bonnet, some wig caps, and a little compact mirror, which was really nice. And they have their consistent branding on everything. It just says Celie. They also sent this little pamphlet, which tells you how to care for your hair and some instructions on how to care for your wig. The wig came in a separate box, which is purple and gold and really pretty, and then the wig was in a separate little plastic bag inside. They also sent the adjustable little elastic band, which again says Celie hair on it, so their branding is really consistent. The plastic bag that the wig was in just is labeled, and it says that the wig is 24 inches and the lace is 13 by 4. Again, the wig came with a hairnet around it, and it also came with the standard like tissue paper inside to help hold its shape. But the wig did have this extra foam that went around the hairline and these clips to hold it in place. This is to help, I guess, hold the shape a little bit better, and I felt that this was actually really nice, and it was really stiff and kind of good quality, and the wig did fit to my head really nicely when I did go to install it. The cap construction on this wig is really nice, really professional, and they do have the adjustable, like insertable elastic band. I feel like a lot of companies are using these now, and I actually like them. I feel like they are pretty snug. The wig from the inside was made really well. There are adjustable straps in the back as well as combs in the wig and in the back, and there was a little bit of lace in the back as well as from ear to ear. And I love that there's deep parting space, so again, it's 13 by 4, and I did have to go ahead and cut it because I need a shorter length besides 13 from ear to ear. So that's something, you guys, I'll link like another video where I actually install my lace wigs down below if you're interested in seeing that. But I really just wanted to come in here and show you this wig and tell you guys about it. And it's definitely making me wonder why I have not gone back to wearing a style like this much sooner. I'm gonna show you guys more of the wig. I did go ahead and put some powder on the wig cap underneath in this area, but I do want to go ahead and put a little bit of a lighter powder because the perimeter is lighter and I think it'll look a little better. But again, I did not really do much except just normally install this wig. But I love that the hair is a thick density because I hate when straight wigs are thin and they just don't, I just don't like when hair is long and thin. So I love that it's extremely thick, but it also looks natural. So if you guys are looking for a new straight wig or some new straight hair, I would definitely recommend this wig right here. I know, again, I haven't been wearing it for that long, so I can't really give you an update or review on like a wear test or anything like that, but I will give you guys an update in the future. If you guys are interested and want like a whole separate video, let me know, or also let me know if you guys want to see me like style this wig in different ways. I can do that as well. Be sure to follow me on Instagram to see like different styles and photos and posts with this hair as well. And if you guys have any other questions or concerns, be sure to leave it in the comments down below. And be sure to subscribe for future videos. If you made it to the end of the video, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.